Let's go outside, take all the legacy educators for jet skiing today. Let's go. This is both their first times jet skiing, so this should be super fun. I'm gonna take you guys along with us, but this is what it's about, guys. We got the AMA at 5 today, and we thought, you know what? We've got about an hour and a half, 2 hours till then, so let's go jet ski, have some fun. That's what trading's about, and we'll see you guys there. Take you guys along with us. Let's go. Let's go. Legacy educators race. Who's winning?
Dude, you already know.
No, just kidding. Definitely not him, but here we go. Gonna hop on the skis. Let's get it. Let's go outside with the boys. Got the big naval ships and shit over here. We're gonna go over there, but Nick already crossed into fucking 3 jet skis. Chris is doing fine. Mark's doing good. But yeah, let's get it. How was it? You guys having fun?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Let's go. Shout out the boys. Super fun. Oh geez. Let's go. Shout out Mark. Mark won the funnest challenge. Coach was led, but I got hit by a big wave on that last one. Slow down the video. We live trade in Asia. Oh, in this, yes sir. In the Legacy Discord, we're like 90 some people here. But we're in these gold cells. Let's see how it goes. Oh. Out here with the boys. Go. Say what's up to the vlog, chat. Put some 41s. Oh yeah. Make sure you guys come join the Legacy Discord, guys. Best live trading around, every single session covered by the GOATs. Come through. Yeah, who's gonna win? Full send traders versus us?
Or Marky and Chris, come on.
I can see. Alright, for the win, I mean, we could have won before. But for the real win, tap it in. W, oh wait, that's maybe going. W.
No, that's not good.
Who voted? Oh, it was 50-50?
What the fuck?
And the 50-50 for the vote. Shout out everyone who was here though. After a long day, the boys, yes sir. Look it. Always a fire sunset to end the vlogs. I love the view from up here, guys. I love living here with the boys. Fire session, jet ski, AMA. Everything today, absolutely amazing. So make sure to like and subscribe if you guys like the content so far. We're gonna have a lot more IRL, in-person stuff going on, and just a lot more vlogs and stuff. So make sure you're subscribed and join the team. I love you guys. See you guys in the next vlog. Peace out. As we get into the week, guys, what if I told you that the less trades you took this week, the more money you might make? Let me explain. So let's say you guys had a weekly trading goal. Let's say you guys want to make, for example, only $1,000 this week, right? Break $1,000 into how many days you guys trade. So let's say you trade 5 days or even 4. 4 days divided by $1,000 is $250 a day, okay? Now let's break that down into how many trades you have to take. It can only be one. But if you're someone who goes for more risk to reward than just a 1-to-1, then you don't really need to risk that whole $250. You might only risk $125. Go for a 1-to-2 or something like that to have more room and more trades to take in case the first trade doesn't go as well. That's what you have to think about, is that the first trade shouldn't be the make-all, be-all trade, you know what I'm saying? That's why I always preach risk to reward. I might be spitballing a little bit, but that's why I preach risk to reward so heavy, because no trader can be perfect. And the sooner all you guys out there understand that, the better off you're going to be in trading, because you're going to be less stressed when you go to take a trade and everything, because you understand that if you do take a loss, it's just a part of the plan. As long as you followed your plan, it's okay to take a loss. It happens, right? Because everyone has a certain win percentage, right? So for people out there who say oh, I have a 70% win rate, well, if you know you have a 70% win rate, you know that 10 trades, 3 of those trades are going to be losses. So you shouldn't be afraid to take a loss, but that's even a high win rate. Some of the best traders out there have 60, 50, 40% win rates. When I had that interview with Jade Cap, he said there were some weeks that he had a 30% win rate, but still had a $2.5 million withdrawal. Kind of crazy, right? So why am I telling you this? Because I was one of those traders who thought that you had to be perfect every single trade. And I'm here to tell you, after 6 years of profitably trading, all I want to tell you is slow down. Anyone who's on the AMA I did with Mamba, some of the questions people were asking in the chat, some of the best advice he kept giving was slow the process down. He was trying to get to certain things so fast that it ended up limiting him and pushing him back. I always love the analogy of trading, or just even life, and having a goal you're trying to work to is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes when you're climbing that mountain, if you try to go too fast, you might slip, break your ankle, slip on some gravel, and freaking your shoe might break, whatever it may be. There's just things that are definitely going to get in your way to hold you back. So the faster you try to do it, something bad is more prone to happen. You know what I'm saying? So just the way to avoid that, because like I said, things are going to try and get in your way. in life, in trading, there's all these obstacles. Even news is an obstacle. No, I'm totally kidding. No, but for real though, I feel like a lot of you guys should have a goal out there. You know how I gave you guys the example of having $1,000, week or whatever? You could even start small. If you're not even close to making $1,000 in a week right now, well then start with only something like 500, and that simplifies it even more, because if you can do it with 500, you can do it with 1,000. It's just gonna, you slowly increase how many contracts or lots you're doing, your size account, the trades you're taking, you increase your risk to reward. Everything just starts increasing, but you have to start somewhere, be consistent, learn from it, and then you're gonna have more confidence to try and like size up, enter more contracts, have a bigger size account. All that type of stuff is just gonna come with time. So my advice for the week, now today is literally Sunday, guys, so go out there, figure out, all right, how much is it that I want to make this week? Have a goal, divide that into how many days you're gonna trade, right? And then figure out like how many trades do I usually take a day, what should I risk, what's my risk to reward. If you guys do that math, you kind of figure out what you guys should be aiming for. And it's just a lot easier over time, because it just makes it a lot easier. Because I mean, I'm gonna say it again, but you guys all try to make your guys' weekly targets on Monday, and the rest of the week you think you're trying to get ahead, but really it just pulls you back. I literally just tweeted this thing. It was like, congrats, you scalped $50, and then you tried to do another one, and now you're down 200. That's literally the story of every trader. So many people like reposted it and tweeted to it because they're like, that's me. Because it's such a relatable thing. You guys go, get these little profits, and then have these big losses come and wipe it out. So that's why I say just be consistent with your wins. Understand that like if you guys win on Monday, you're, it doesn't have to be your whole weekly target. It should be your daily target. Because even if you know that you're trying to make $1,000 by the end of the week, which is $250 a day for your 4 trading days, then you should understand like, all right, well, if I'm already up $250 or $300, I'm already more than up for than I should be for the day. So now I can go into tomorrow confident. I'm not going to go take more trades today and take away from the target that I already hit today. A lot of people think that more trades equal more money. I hate to say it. It really just takes away from your, like sometimes obviously guys, there's those days that you keep trading and it keeps winning, but then those days that like you win, you keep trading and it takes it all away and some, and those are the worst days. So be confident guys, go in this freaking week confident, strong, have a target or like a weekly goal that I was talking about. Understand how much you guys are going to be aiming for a day, how many trades you're going to take for that day, what risk for what pairs are you guys even trading. That's another thing for a whole separate video. If you guys are trading way too many pairs out there, just focus on a couple, 1 to 2, 1 session, freaking that's all you guys need, especially trying to be like consistent and just trying to make a little money at first and then obviously scale over time. Just I'm telling you guys right now, focus on 1 to 2 pairs, 1 session a day, 1 entry model, maybe 2, and then just collect data on that, guys, and over time you guys are going to become the best freaking traders ever. Quote that, stamp it, I freaking know it. Go into this week confident. I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe if you're not yet. Peace out.